Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I'm so surprised. I do not know what this one is, and I do not recall what I have ordered. I don't think I have bought anything, but this one came to me, and it's so 中国茶 Oh my 让世界更懂中国茶 Oh yeah okay it must be tea Iteaworld Oh my wow that take quite some time wow 让世界更懂中国茶 Let's take a look. Okay. 绿茶优选 This is green tea. Wow.玫瑰红茶 and this is black tea. Do I have to open up here? Tear apart from味和谐之美 Tea harmony taste the beauty of nature 中国茶东方味 Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. This is loose leaf tea. 碧螺春 碧螺春 is a kind of green tea and it rolls like a snail. We will open up later. 六安瓜片 Green tea I have never tried. It's from 安徽黄山毛峰 It's the tip of tea. 龙井 from 浙江 Oh my looks so beautiful and they use paper packaging I like it I like not using plastic using this kind of packaging is just right 红茶 I like their tea container, you know. I use this container to put pencil, to put stuff. Oh, this is tea bag, loose leaf tea. So good. 桂花乌龙 Osmanthus 乌龙 tea. Osmanthus 乌龙 jasmine oolong, rose black tea, 玫瑰红茶，茉莉六宝茶，jasmine dark tea. Oh, I'm so happy. We shall enjoy. And tea, Iteaworld. This is not the first time I received their tea, and they have very good tea. Very, very good tea. Yeah. Enjoy. Wow. Osmanthus oolong is relatively light color. Jasmine black tea. Rose black tea. Jasmine liu an tea. Jasmine green tea. Jasmine 铁观音. Oh, looks so beautiful. This is good. This is good. This is good. It's so good to drink